All right, now I'm going to talk to you about one of the things that trip up our new students the most. If you're paying attention to this, you're going to be okay, and that is lesson modifications. Now, when you're going through Connexus, this is where you find your lessons, and you're going to the quizzes. You're going to answer all the multiple choice questions that you see on the quizzes and tests as they are in Connexus. However, if you come to a quiz or you come to a test and there are essay questions or questions where you need to fill in a blank or write sentences, you're not going to do the questions that you see in Connexus, because we, as the U.S. History team, came up with some questions that more align to what you're going to see on the end of course test. So when it comes to essay questions, you're going to do what we call modified questions. And so the place you're going to find the modified questions that you're going to answer on that test is here on the virtual classroom once again. And so you pick which course are you in. Most of you guys are in standards. We have honors. We have foundations. You pick which course that you're in, and you click on lesson modifications. Okay. Once you go to lesson modifications, you click on that. Here they are. They're going to be right here. Okay. For every quiz that there's a modification on, every test there's a modification on, you can find them right here on this page. Okay. So let's say you are on Unit 2. Lesson 8, you get to the quiz and you see that there's open-ended or essay questions there. Just click right here, and here's going to be the question. This is the question we want you to answer. Okay? Now you might be saying, well, Mr. Galt, that means I can see the essay questions before I take the test. And that's exactly right. We want you to see the essay questions before you take the test. We want you to see what you're going to be writing on. And you can do a little rough draft. You can look at the information there. We give you the textbook pages to find the answers to these questions on. These are important questions. We want you to do a good job on them, and we kind of require you to do a good job with them. A couple word answers are not going to suffice for us. You need to really focus in on getting these questions answered. Okay? So once again, they're all here. We want you to answer them in the very last text box, okay, on the quiz or the test. Answer all of them on the very last text box, and you should be good to go. If you have questions, if you are concerned about this, let me know now. Just reply to the webmail that you got this on and send me a question about these. Just a reminder, for every quiz, for every test, you have to do the modified question. Now, if you do the question that you see in Connexus, then you're not going to get credit for it. You're going to get sent right back to this. So once again, do all the multiple choice questions as they're listed, but when it comes to essay questions, make sure you come to this page first, find what the question is, and answer. And like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know. You can go ahead and press the next button and learn about skipped lessons right now.